Alright, I'm the flatratemaster. Today's kind of a weird subject, but I never really talked about Milwaukee's Packout system. And while it's cool and awesome for a lot of trades, it doesn't make a lot of sense for automotive technicians to invest in the Packout system unless they do other things. You know, if you're a mobile guy, Packouts make a lot of sense. And these socket kits I've got behind me, 1/2 inch, 3/8, could make a lot of sense for a lot of different type trades, especially the mobile guys, you know, the guys that go out there and fix equipment on the side of the road, that kind of stuff. Average technician, no. Unless you really like these trays and you're going to put them in your drawer and use the Packouts for something else. It's really hard to recommend Packout for anybody in this industry that really works in a shop because it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. It's really a mobile tool platform. HVAC guys, electrical guys love these things. They buy them by the dozen. You know, if you go on if you Google Packout, I'm sure, Packout Milwaukee, I'm sure you'll find lots of strings of people making huge monstrosities of things out of Milwaukee Packouts. Now, like I said, I've never really covered Packout because it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense for the average technician. The whole point of the Packout system is they're interlocking cases, meaning you latch it to the one below it and you can carry in a bunch. You can lock them in, you know, you can hang them on a wall, you can hang them in a service van, service truck, etc. You know, the whole point of these is to do that, is to lock them together and carry them around. These are going, you know, wouldn't recommend it on this set of sockets because it's going to be a little heavy. But you could conceivably carry it into a shop. Again, wouldn't recommend it. But junkyard, this stuff be awesome. Just figured I would give you a video about this product. You know, Milwaukee touts this system a lot. It just doesn't really work for our industry. They're still cool, but it just doesn't make sense for automotive in a shop. Like I said, unless you're going to pull the trays out, use the trays for your Milwaukee sockets, and use the Packouts for something else, because they work really good in the garage. I can attest to that, because Milwaukee has sent me various Packout systems over the years, and they're in my garage. Hope you enjoyed this video on the dubious use of Packouts in the shop. As always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.